Out here checking out Utah Lake, Provo, during a windstorm apparently. I don't know what kind of fish we're gonna catch during this weather, but we're gonna try it out. Holy cow. This place is pretty cool though. $10 all day parking use. And we're gonna try to catch some fish. I don't know what's gonna happen to this wind. And then we're gonna leave and get some food and come back here and cook it up on the Coleman grill. Day at the lake. So the area over there is the harbor. Over here is the whole lake. It feels like we're at an ocean almost. Except I don't think it's salt water. Fresh water. I didn't drink that, I just tasted it. Thinking about going swimming if we don't catch any fish, Shane. There's no lightning, it's just the SAHARA windstorms, or sandstorm. Huh? It said no swimming in the harbor, but on the website it said that you can swim at this park somewhere in the lake. Swimming, boating, and fishing. So we got in here, we got white bass, carp, catfish, brown trout, and rainbow trout. I have no idea where in the river these different things are, but the little icon on the fish brain app said that in that little channel over there by where we parked over there, there was 1,000 posts or whatever. The fish brain app, I thought it was gonna give me a lot of information, but it's more just like Facebook with fishing and posts from people and stuff. But using the information they gave me, that's the type of fish that's in here. And we need to get over there, but I think you can only get over there with boats. So I'll show you what I'm talking about in a little bit. But for now, we're just gonna try a few casts in here. It's a storm, a windstorm. It's crazy. Probably nothing's gonna happen, but we're gonna check it out anyway. Me and the boy Shane. I vacuumed out the van. Still haven't got rid of the seats, but I got some pots and pans. We're gonna get some stuff with we're gonna get some stuff to cook up for dinner and maybe catch some fish. That's the spot on the icon that says there's like 1,000 fish caught, but I don't know if they're just placing a marker for like the whole lake or if it's that specific spot, because we're running to Smith's to get some food so we can cook it up on the little Coleman grill. Hopefully they sell bottles of fuel, because I got a big propane tank, but I don't have the cable hookup yet for it. The hose that connects a 1 pound tank to a 20 pound tank. So hopefully they got a little can for sale. If not, I have my little camp one. I don't know how much fuel's in it, but we're gonna find out. But right now we're gonna go around this big loop built out into this, separating this little harbor from the rest of the lake. The wind's blowing so hard that there's actually like surf on the lake, and it's blowing up onto the rocks and spraying into the water. Oh, you gotta turn around here, they don't connect.
Yeah.
Oh no, I thought it went all the way around. Over there, check that out. There's waves all up in the road. We can drive over there later. I'm making all kinds of mistakes in this video. I was just zoomed in the whole time that I was doing this, so it's probably all up,
zoomed up on your nose.
all up in my nose. So if I have to edit all that out because I was zoomed in, we're going to Smith's. We're gonna get some veggies, some sort of meat. Hopefully they have a butane tank, and grab a butane tank, because until my Amazon order comes in, I don't have a hose to hook up to my big old propane tank that I got. But once I get that hose, I got the dishes and all that, we can go fishing, hopefully get a little pellet gun and go small game hunting for like squirrels and little buggers like that, cook them up on the Coleman, eat some interesting foods, and it's gonna be fun. Nice little park, big old lake. All right, we got a couple brews. We got a bag of charcoal because they did not sell butane, so I don't want to use the Coleman grill with the little can I have and run out while we're at the beginning of making this meal. And I got my pots and pans over there that I got, and then we got a steak. And since because of this dust storm, I don't know if you can tell good from the videos, but you can't really see those mountains over there. It's windy, it's a dust bowl, it's a plague, it's the apocalypse, the world is ending, we're all gonna die. Me and Shane are going fishing and eating steak, and since we're probably not gonna catch anything in this, we got ourselves a trout, just so I can work on practicing cooking trout. We're gonna watch some YouTube videos about how to grill trout. We got a trout and we got a steak, and we got some beans, and we got some green beans and some steak rub. It's an A1. So we're gonna go grill up some food at Utah Lake State Park and try to catch some fish, but otherwise just have fun at the campsite and enjoy the end of the world. Yep. All right, guys, so we're in Provo. We're almost at the Utah State Park, Utah Lake State Park, but this is a ropes course. Fun. Oh my gosh, we've driven by this place twice and I've seen it and I'm like amazed. I have to come to this place sometime. Get that ropes course in the back right there. Oh my gosh. So they got a raised ropes course back there. They got a rock wall. Hopefully a car doesn't hit me. They got a rock wall ropes course. They got zip lines. Looks like they got some soccer goals. I don't know what those have to do with. Oh, get that ladder. Those hanging rope ladder right there. Yeah, on the edge right there. Those things, I did one of those at a church camp a long time ago. They're super difficult. You got two people. Looks like their rungs are kind of not spaced out the right way, but you got two people and you got to get up that thing together. And the trick is just figuring out the trick. Once you figure out the trick, you can do it pretty easily, but most people get scared. They got a rock wall. They got zip lines. Hold on, there's more stuff up here. Sorry, cars. I should turn my hazards on. What we got up here? Got a teepee. So it looks like people camp out here. And then keep the cord and chain. They got, looks like, I don't know if that's for like a dog course or obstacle course for running. They got stuff. Now it's all trees. You can't really see it, but try to. Cabins, logs, and then up here looks like a little water slide. Actually, it's like a little water slide into a little pond. What? With a rope swing into a little pond. That is sick. Yeah, we're gonna. Oh, then there's more of the ropes course all the way over here. Oh, so you got to cross the line all the way to this part, up into these trees here. Wow, that place is awesome looking. We're gonna have to check that out one day. We're just gonna go to one of these little gazebos with the grill, cook up some trout and some steak, and then by the time we're done and we're all filled up, eating up, we can hit the. Oh, this is the spot. Look at that little dock right there, Shane. That's where we should fish. Once it gets a little later, people won't be out as much.
Towards South Jetty Road.
But up in there. In a windstorm, we're gonna be cooking. We're gonna be living it up. And it's windy. Hope this grill lights. First I want to go down this road to the end.
Make a U-turn.
Turn around. Big bump. Oh! My phone is wet. Oh, we just got lit up by a wave. Oh, I shouldn't be. I gotta slow down a little bit. Woohoo! It hit me Wow. Windshield wiper, please. This is nuts. At a lake. Oh, big holes. This is not good for my van. Oh, this was stupid. Okay, we gotta get to the end of this and hopefully turn around and not get stuck. This is a bad idea. I didn't know it was a bit like this. Oh, God. Oh, I gotta get out of here. These seagulls are stuck. They're just in the same spot. It's like they're levitating. Shane, you got blasted by the water when you got out of the van.
I know.
This is nuts. Whoa. Now we gotta get back. The road is a lot more bumpy and filled with holes and water than I expected. This wind is absolutely nuts. So there's been a change in plans. We're going to We're going to position the van as a wind block. I found my butane. Feels like I got like half a tank, which I think will be enough to cook the meat and then hopefully cook the sides also. We're about to find out. So I'm gonna legally park the van sideways here because the wind's coming in this way. Oh, actually I need to flip around. The doors need to be on the side so that I can open them away from the wind. Doing whatever I want in this parking lot. Alright. This is gonna be totally illegal. Now I'm on the wrong side of the parking lot facing the wrong way. And I'm gonna be taking up like 4 spots. Whoa! Door just almost crushed my foot. But nobody's out here hardly. This place is empty. There's so many parking spots and they're all empty. So now, with the van this way, I can open those doors, set the Coleman grill right there, and we can use it for the first time for this trout and steak. So stick around, guys. Alright, we got the Coleman camp grill. First time using it. Set up. Everything's pretty simple. You just take your things, open them up. Got these little clips, squeeze them. There's holes in the side, you slide them in. And then this thing, it's the problem. I have a 20-pound propane tank in the back, but you can't connect it here. So we got this thing which does connect here. And we're gonna first get everything prepped up first. Got out here. We don't have a can opener, so we're opening our can of beans the old-fashioned way. It's already mostly open, so now I'm just spilling. Yep. This should be enough to get it open. And we're gonna need a pot for the beans, a pot for the green beans, a pot for the baked beans, and then we got a frying pan for the trout and for the steak. So we're gonna start cooking some dinner. Snag these out. Probably should have done that somewhere else. Put a little bit of water in there. I just cut the crap out of myself. Okay, well now I gotta make a little band-aid, but we're gonna come back once the fire's going. Basically, you just connect this to here, and hopefully we got enough fuel. We thought we were grilling, so we didn't get any oil or butter, which kind of sucks. We did get some steak rub. Where's it at? Where's
right there?
Where? Oh, we got some. We got mesquite. We thought it would go good with trout and with steak, so I'm gonna put my steak on this little one here. And after I season it up, and then we're gonna season up this trout. I'll just show you what we got to work with. Here's what we got, boys and girls. We got a nice trout here, and probably put a little water on the pan, maybe, or no?
No.
Just put it on the pan and let the juices oil it up.
Yeah.
So we got like a, what was this, like a 1.6 pound trout?
Yeah.
And looks like it's got some poop on it. We should probably rinse it off in the river.
You want me to go do that right now?
Yeah, so Shane's gonna run and rinse the fish off while I get my steak prepped up. And then we're gonna hook this fuel on, and hopefully this bad boy runs long enough. We got the sides all ready to go, so it takes us a little time to get them cooking once the meat's done. And if we run out of fuel for the sides, that's okay. You can eat green beans and baked beans cold, but we got to get this meat cooked up. So we're gonna get to it. He's gonna wash the trout off, and we're gonna make sure we know how to cook up trout. Oh boy, plans have changed again. We got the meat all seasoned up and ready to go, but this does not connect to this. Nothing connects to this thing. Hopefully the thing I ordered off Amazon connects, because this does not work. I don't understand. This is butane. It's made by Coleman, but nothing connects to this stupid connector. It doesn't work. It doesn't screw in. I don't understand it. It's frustrating. But the wind has died down a little bit, so Shane's trying to get this charcoal lit up and we can cook it on the grill. We didn't come out here with plans. We just came out here and then we made the plans up once we got here, so we're just kind of going with the flow. I just don't want this meat to go bad because I'm hungry and I want to eat it. Alright, we couldn't get it lit with lighters because the wind's blowing too strong, so I just used that little guy. At least we got some use out of it. Put this on and just made a blowtorch and blew it up in there. Now we got fire. Fish. You're just gonna throw it on the flame? Yeah, because we don't know how long we'll even have it, considering how this weather's going. Can we drop this rack down a bit? Yeah, let me go get that steak. Alright, dinner will be ready soon, boys and girls. Yeah, I'm excited. Steak and trout. Look at that, a big New York steak and a big trout. On a beautiful day. You know, day one of the SAHARA SANDSTORM, Windstorm, end of the world, apocalypse. Look, no fires on the sign right next to the grill.
Well, no open fires. I guess it's okay.
Yeah, we're not gonna worry about cooking it on coals, because with this wind the way it is, it could rain any moment. We just want to get it cooked. Yeah, I'm actually glad we got the grill going because I wanted to grill. We didn't have oil, we didn't have butter, we didn't have lemon juice, but the grill will give it that smoked grill flavor. Yeah, even though all we got is a little bit of spices, no butter or anything.
A little bit of steak, a little bit of seasoned powder.
See that steak? Look it over. I like the steak rare. Oh yeah, that's cooking fast. Back it up off the flames a little bit. There you go. Yeah, I want it rare, so actually that thing's here. Yeah, do that. That one side is way more. There you go. Yeah. And the trout fishing, that's on you, Shane. If this comes out bad, if it comes out burnt, then I'm blaming you. But you bought it, so. Oh, look at that.
It's already starting to fall apart.
It's got some grill stripes. So you're saying all we got to do is wait till the skin gets flaky and the meat gets more white?
The meat gets flaky and white, whiter than it is when you catch it. And then when it starts falling apart, you're done.
Okay. We cut the head off. We cut the head off because we thought we were going to be cooking it in the frying pan in the van, and it didn't fit, so we cut the head off. But you can just cook these with the head on. You eat the head?
You can eat the eyeballs.
Eat the eyeballs, yum. I don't know. I don't know if I'd be eating any eyeballs, but
It actually kind of tastes like a popcorn. Kind of really juicy too.
oh wow, you can see up inside it. Yeah, it's getting. I got it all seasoned up in there.
Yeah, it's gonna be tasty. Pick apart yummy good.
Yeah, boy, this is
Pick
dinner.
it right off the bone.
Nice. On a beautiful lake during a windstorm. Once we're done eating, we're gonna come throw a few casts in right over here. Okay. Yeah, I like it rare, so not much longer and we can take it off. Alright, so the steak's done. The skin is flaking off the fish. Shane said it's good to eat. It's like chips, so hold that.
Tastes fishy, but it's good. It fell off.
Oh, I got a fit. Served. We got our beans. Got some chilada, steak,
Fish that I've already eaten and it's pretty tasty.
some trout, rainbow trout. I'm about to eat it up. Just gonna sit on the road, Shane. I guess I can set those in here and you can sit on the cooler if you want.
That's okay.
Alright. Just leave me some of your fish and I'll leave you some of my steak. Alright. And if you need to use a knife to get into that, then try not to cut into the pan because it's a new pan.
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Full as fuck.
Full as F.
Alright.
It's for YouTube's child friendly, remember?
Forgot.
Now we gotta do dishes. Luckily, we got a little water thing right over here. Clean up the dishes. We ate it all. We ate all the beans, all the fish, all the steak. Now, the dock is cleared over there. We're gonna go over on that little dock. We're gonna throw a few casts out. And then that'll be the end of today's adventure. We'll get out of here. And hopefully there's no tornadoes on the way home. Lucky fishing as expected. I'm not new to fishing. I used to love fishing when I was a kid. Fished all the time in Florida, always for largemouth bass. Did some saltwater fishing. I've got some grouper and a lot of catfish and a lot of bass, but kind of gave it up.
Head west on South Jetty Road toward Finger Jetty Road.
I don't know why Siri's giving me map directions right now because we're already at our destination, but I used to fish a lot and then I stopped and I didn't fish for like 15 years. So this pole that I got, this last little burst of fishing that I've been doing is first couple fishing trips I've had in 15 years, and I've still got to learn. I got to learn Utah fish. I've got to learn what kind of bait they like because I keep
in 800 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Siri keeps on giving me directions. I don't know why, but yeah. So I just gotta learn, everything about these fish, the baits they like, and what kind of techniques to use and all that stuff. So we'll get better. Still haven't caught anything other than carp. We caught a ton of carp at Liberty Park yesterday, which is easy. You just put some bread on your hook and hang it off the dock and pull them up. But we didn't keep them, we just threw them back. But one of these days I'm gonna get something big and I'm gonna figure this stuff out, and then I'll give you some better fishing videos. But for now, they're just, don't think of them as fishing videos, just think of them as adventure videos. We're gonna be getting out of here before too long. That just looks so cool. Get away, ducks. The ducks want our carp bread. No bread for you, ducks, go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, come here. They all went right for it. One of you has fishing line stuck on your head. I want to get it off. He's gonna eat it out of my hand. Ah! Ducks are ballsy, man. I screamed and they're like, okay, let's get away from this girly, man.
Like, we don't know. You screamed at us.
Come and get it. I don't know why I'm holding my hand out like this. As soon as one of them gets close to pecking me, I'm gonna pull my hand away. Here, take it. Good duckies. Where's the one with the mama? Mama's right there. So these are all teenage ducks. That's mama. She's got the blue stripe. She's got the blue stripe right there. Some of them are starting to get their blue stripes. But that's mama. She's got some fishing line stuck on her neck. See that? See it right at the base of her neck? Yeah. You can't see it on the camera, but right on the base of her neck there's a piece of fishing line. She's trying to flap it off. Come here, mama. Come here, mama. I'll get that off you. Alright. Where, bud? Oh, sorry. It went behind the rock. Mama, you get some. Yeah. Right here, right here. In my hand. Here. Come and get it.
Alright, guys. That's it. We cooked some trout, we cooked some steak. I don't think this is good weather for fishing. It is fun weather to explore in, though. Have some fun out here in this lake. We're going to fish for a little bit. It's getting chilly. Thanks for watching the video. Me and Shane had a lot of fun making it for you guys. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Ring the bell. Check out the Patreon. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. Out.
Alright guys, I recorded another outro, but it's so windy I doubt you could hear it. So, thanks for watching the video. Me and Shane are heading out. We didn't catch anything. I don't know if it's the wind, I don't know if it's our technique or what, but it's beautiful out here. I'm taking off, going back down to the city. Heading home for the night. But make sure you guys hit thumbs up on the video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and hit the bell so you get notifications every time I put a new video out. Drop in the comments any tips you have for me for fishing out here in Utah, and you know what a southern fisherman needs to do to change up their game for these type of fish, for trout and such. And check out my Patreon, Jsurbanadventures, patreon.com. And thanks for watching, guys. Jsurbanadventures. Say bye, Shane.
See you later, guys.